Hi, and welcome to another Web Tools video. Today we're going to talk about Hya Wave, which you can access by going to wave.hya.io. This is a simple audio recorder which allows you to cut and splice your audio recordings online. Using this tool, you can record your own files or use a file that you upload from your computer. Just drag and drop from your computer and your file is ready to be edited. With your sound file uploaded, you'll see two different sound waves, the main larger sound wave and then the mini sound wave below. With the top wave file, I can zoom in and zoom out using the scroll wheel, or I can make a selection and then zoom to selection using this button on the toolbar. Even though I've zoomed into a selection, you can still see the entire sound wave in the view below. I can also change my selection by dragging with my cursor. If I want to zoom out and see my entire sound wave, I just click Zoom to Full Wave. I can create a selection by clicking and dragging, and then use the buttons on the upper toolbar to manipulate the selection. Notice that I can identify the function of each button by hovering over the button itself. I won't show you all of these features, but I'll show you a quick cut and paste. With a portion cut out of my file, I select another area in my sound wave. Instead of using paste, I'll use paste and mix. The difference is that my pasted content will paste over the existing sound instead of replacing it. So you'll have two files playing over one another. When I recorded, I didn't realize that I wasn't recording my system audio, so you'll have to try this yourself to see how it sounds. So as you can see, adjusting your audio files is pretty easy. The three play buttons give you a little more control over playing your audio. You can play from the cursor, you can play a selected area, or you can play from the beginning of your audio file. If you hit stop, the cursor will move to the beginning of your audio file. If you want your cursor to remain where you had stopped the file, you need to use the pause button. Fortunately, there are undo and redo buttons which make life a lot easier. One of the greatest features of this simple audio tool is the filters that you can add to your audio files. Now, I'm no audio expert, but I found that if you just Google any of these audio filters, you can find a description on the web, as these are kind of standard audio filters. For an example, let's use one that I actually understand, reverse. First, make a selection, check the box Apply to Selection, and then hit Apply. Alas, I didn't realize I wasn't recording my system audio, so just like before, you'll have to try this yourself and see how it sounds. As far as the rest of the filters are concerned, I'm going to let you go through and try these out for yourself. And if you don't have an audio file to use, just try creating a new recording. Just hit Record, and when the dialog pops up, you're not recording yet. You do have to hit record again. As you record, you'll see the buffer counter going down, and once you hit 0, your recording will be done. That is the one downside of this application. You can only record audio for up to 60 seconds. When you're done recording, you can rename your file and even save it to your computer using this area up at the top. Hit save, and then you can export your file to your desktop. Thanks again for watching our video. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel and let us know what you think. Hi, thanks for watching another Web Tools video and supporting our channel. After the video, if you still have a question about something we talked about, be sure to leave a comment or hit us up on our channel. And of course, if you're interested in learning how you can use your browser to its full potential, don't forget to subscribe below.